Imagine a world without programming languages. They are the backbone of technology, enabling us to communicate with computers effectively. Understanding them opens up endless possibilities, from creating apps to automating tasks. Here's the big idea when it comes to programming languages. Choose by goal. There isn't one best language for everything. Different languages are popular because they fit different jobs. If you want to build websites, you'll use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and TypeScript. And for cloud and backend services, you'll often use Java, PHP, C#, Go, Python, Node.js, or Ruby. For mobile apps, common choices are Swift, Kotlin, and Dart. For data and AI work, you'll often see Python, R, and SQL. For game development, C++ and C# are widely used. If performance matters, like systems or low-level software, languages like C, C++, Rust, and Go are common. So the takeaway is simple. Start with what you want to build, pick the language that matches that goal, and then learn the fundamentals, because those skills transfer everywhere. HTML and CSS are the backbone of web development. HTML provides the structure, while CSS adds style. Together, they create the visual elements we see on every web page. JavaScript is the magic behind interactive websites. It turns static pages into dynamic experiences, allowing users to engage with content in real time. Think of it as the spark that brings websites to life. And TypeScript is JavaScript with types, helpful for catching errors early and building larger apps. Next is web server-side, or backend. This is the code that runs on the server, handling requests and sending back responses. It's where you build APIs, manage your app's business logic, and connect to databases. Common backend languages include Java, C#, Go, Python, and Node.js. You'll also see PHP and Ruby, especially in many traditional web applications. So whenever a website logs you in, saves your data, or processes a payment, that work is happening here on the backend. Swift is Apple's preferred language for iOS development. It combines safety, speed, and expressiveness, making it a powerful tool for developers. Its syntax is easy to read and write, which is perfect for beginners. Kotlin is officially supported by Google for Android development. It offers concise syntax and improved safety features, making it a favorite among developers. Its full interoperability with Java eases the transition for those familiar with Java. Dart is the language behind Flutter, Google's UI toolkit. It allows for fast development and expressive UIs, making it ideal for cross-platform apps. Dart, using Flutter's hot reload feature, significantly speeds up the development process. Python is celebrated for its versatility and simplicity. Its syntax is easy to learn, making it accessible for beginners and powerful for experts. This language is a favorite among data scientists and AI developers. R excels in statistical analysis and data visualization. Its robust packages allow for intricate data exploration and presentation. R is ideal for statisticians and data analysts. SQL is essential for managing and querying large datasets. It allows for efficient data retrieval and manipulation, making it a cornerstone in database management. Overall, Python is great for AI, R for statistics, and SQL for database management. Each has its strengths and ideal use cases. What makes C++ and C# ideal for gaming? Their ability to handle complex computations and real-time processing ensures immersive experiences. They're the backbone of the gaming industry. Next is systems and performance. This is where speed and efficiency really matter. Languages like C and C++ are widely used to build operating systems, game engines, and performance-heavy software. Rust is popular for safer low-level programming, helping prevent common memory bugs. And Go is often used for fast, reliable backend services. So if you're working close to the hardware, or you need maximum performance and control, these languages are some of the most common choices. Let's recap. We've explored the roles of various programming languages, from web development to enterprise solutions. Each language serves a unique purpose, shaping the technology landscape. Now that you know the power of programming languages, it's time to take action. Dive deeper into the language that suits your needs and start creating amazing projects.